Well, Amazon is rolling out the red carpet for its China-based sellers. The e-commerce giant saying it plans to open an innovation center in China's Silicon Valley as it looks to challenge Shein and Temu's dominance. This comes as Shein reportedly filed for an IPO and Temu's market share has been skyrocketing in the US. For more on this, Yahoo Finance reporter Brooke DiPalma is here with more. Give us the lay of the land here.
Good morning, Rochelle. Well, certainly this is all in a bid for Amazon to compete with those rising stars like Shein, Temu, and others that we know, like even Walmart's growing marketplace. But this innovation center is just one of the many announcements that Amazon shared during a 4-day event that it held in China. Other initiatives that the e-commerce giant announced include its plans to allow Chinese sellers have access to its supply chain that it announced back in September here in the U.S. So that means that these sellers will have access to Amazon's warehousing, distribution, and couriers, really a one-stop shop approach that Amazon is doubling down on for its merchants. The Amazon also hinted at an upgrade to its selling platforms and shared that it's also exploring the use of AI. And this comes as we've seen China sellers grow on their platforms from October of last year to September of this year. The number of Chinese sellers that sold more than $1 million on Amazon jumped by 25%, and the number of sellers that sold over $10 million increased by 30%. And this is just yet again the latest effort by Amazon to compete with those other marketplaces. Just last week, they cut fees for merchants. Now seller fees were reduced for products below $15 to 5%. For products that are $15 to $20, that fee is now 10%. Now they were previously 17%. Those lower fees will go into effect early next year on January 15th. But once again, they're competing to get these sellers on their platform, especially when these other players are coming in with those low-priced apparel. They want to make sure that these sellers are coming to them and ultimately making more money on their platform at the end of the day. And Rochelle, it's also important to note that it's not just Shein, it's not just Temu, and it's not just Walmart anymore. We also see now TikTok getting in on TikTok Shop Live as well. And so many players really looking to take advantage of the boom in e-commerce that we've seen in the recent years.